Judd's house, and Adam and Renee's going to show me what they got for Christmas. I'll take a picture here of the tree. Isn't that pretty? Okay, what do you got, Adam?
Next up. Let me see. Teddy.
This is quite a contraption. And you built this with what, Adam? Connect set. All right. Oh, it looks like somebody else would. Oh, a ham like your dad. You're too close. I can't get you.
Hey, we're taking off. We'll see you.
Okay, bye. Well, there he is. There's a Wesley coming up here. Okay. Okay, what else you going to show me? Here, you're going to wiggle me, buddy. You're going to wiggle me. Okay, what else do we got? That's what the K'NEX came in? What has it got? A lot of parts to it, and you can build a lot of different things?
You can open it up from this.
Oh, wow, okay. All right.
Cool?
Yes, it is. Okay, what's next?
French fries. What?
What you got, Renee? All right, and what is this?
Barbie.
A Barbie? Kind of Barbie. Wes can play down here, Adam. What kind of Barbie is that? Huh? Is that Rapunzel?
Oh, yeah, Rapunzel.
Does she let down her hair?
Yeah.
How does that work?
Well, Mom put a braid in her hair, and so it don't work too well.
Oh, so it don't work too well?
Yeah.
But she can let her hair down.
Yeah.
What was that? Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair so that I may climb without a stair. Okay, how long is the hair? Show us how long. Wow, look how long that is. Okay. All right, what else you got to show me? What else have you got to show me?
I got my Barbie case
You got a Barbie case, did you? Where's that?
upstairs.
Is that you want to get your things so you can show me what you got? Okay, what else have you got to show me, Adam Ruski? Where'd you go? Oh, and I got a little Wesley tugging on me here. Better shut it off a half a minute till somebody gets back. Oh, you're back? All right, what you got? And what is that?
Science Fair 130 and one electronic project lab.
What do you do with that thing?
Oh, you can hook up wires and stuff. And you see this, you can make two, and you can make it a 1 and 2 all by itself. This is the key. I can build something with wires. All of these wires do something. But I can take all these wires, just take a few. There's only a few of them. And you know what? You can make a machine gun sound.
Well, do that. Can you do that?
And you can make a motorcycle.
Well, make it do something
Okay.
so we can hear it, okay?
And I'll shut it
And
up.
we had a Wesley down here. He just brought up a McDonald box. I think he wanted to show the camera. And he's going to look at Brother's thing now.
Now can I go up to it? Oh, here comes Renee.